Tonight's video will feature the king, not of dancehall. Well, people from the early 90s and the late 80s said, say he is the king of dancehall. Hey, everybody have their own opinion. But in my opinion, he's the king of sting. He's the king of clash. He's the king of building lyrics on spot. Who may attack?
Tell them, Derek, what are we fan, man? No, easy, my lead. Down low. I don't know about your Christmas, but prosperous New Year to them. Prosperous New Year to all of the Jamaican them. We're tired of the suffering now, my friend. We want to live it on the big life and live with them. Merry Christmas to you all. Prosperous New Year to the Jamaican them. So we have bad boy at town and we not beg no friend. We say we're rougher than a man. Hold on. Yeah, man. Goodbye, yeah, man. And I think I take up my sword. Goodbye.
Food probably there on my mouth or my teeth rather. I don't even know. Goodbye already? One tune? Come on, Ninja. Back in them days, you come out, you bust on a big tune, and you talk about me gone. If you get a bigger forward when you're introduced again. That they used to do back in the 80s and 90s.
Your wish is my command. Hold on.
Yeah, me. Me have to know. Mama with them get me from the Catanme. Papa with them get me from the Catanme. Let them know Mama with them get me from the Catanme. Papa with them get me from the Catanme. Say honor me. No, me not talk. No, say honor me. No, me not. Nobody say honor me now. Hold on. Take time, no man. Come again, Derek. Come again. Come again, Derek. Phenomenon no one. Article done. I tell the nation. All things going on. Me tell no mama, but then get me from the Catanme. Papa, but then get me from the Catanme. Papa, but then get me from the Catanme. Papa, but then get me from the Catanme. They got me. No, me not stop. No. Say honor me, no me now, nobody say honor me now put me. Hold on.
Why me know the lyrics there so? And I've never heard that song on the radio. Only place me see the song there on the internet or hear the song that is on the internet. But this segment of the show, I who take it. A Ninja Man or the Rasta or the Bobo. You see a long time the Bobo them I come on stage and I kick up and I reel up as a backup dancer. I don't care every time bring out Bubble Fee first time. And Ninja! We are run it. We not done it.
All them attack and I to them no know. This is no science, it's a turn back blow. All them attack and I to them no know. This is no science, it's a turn back blow. Listen me ladies and gentlemen. Next year and then come 91. They're gonna be a one in the youth man. have nothing but destruction. Who me wanna the sub man, and the gal where you lick out, and the man where you eat and the woman. But the suit step up back man, yeah suck back suck man, suck out the teeth and ungle everyone. Jump around your article. Hold on. Goodbye, man. Goodbye, Margaret. Stay night.
Goodbye already? Again? And the show just start. I don't know, the video say 89 but a 89 ninja. Mash up with 3 of them over there. Y'all want donuts? Eating some donuts. By the time I go in our house, my son gonna eat off all of them. Y'all want some? Yeah, watch Ninja Man video now. Eat 2 donuts. Or you guys don't eat sweets. Anyways, let's run the video. I'm gonna chat it out.
Tonight, National Stadium, what you say? If I spell it and you call it, I want to hear it loud and clear. M-O-R-E. Who you want? Benjamin. Listen, them love you and them want you. Some come nice up the city.
My favorite teeth, my mouth probably full of food now. Man. Teeth probably yellow right now with food. But anyways, Ninja him love forward, you know, man. Every time my boss I say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Huh? Run the music, Ninja, man. True Ninja knows say my hot commodity, you know, man. Man keep on coming off of the stage and the crowd are reel up and it's me and saying forward back and bust 2 tune and nah too chat it out. The last segment this.
Massive, are you ready? What you want is what you get. Right now, we want to know what you got to say for Ninja Man. Prom. Right. If I hear another one, I know that you mean it. Prom. Ninja. Better than Commander. Ninja Man. We got a new talk this here. New talk this here. Derek, the new talk this here. Well, it don't make the people them hear. Derek, this your talk make them fear. Every people stand up right here. New talk this here. New talk this here. New talk this here. New talk this here. You know science again, it can't hold me. Go where we do what me no afraid of it. Me papa will be a man lady. And give me 9 days for dead and bury. 9 days come guess where will be a man say. Me 9 bed and not drink whiskey. I dig out him gal put me. Will be a man run think kadopi. Take no time and listen to me. Take your time now everybody. Quiet now, come down Saji. Make everybody listen to me. Me got the new talk this year. New talk this year. It name move from here, move from here. Tell the them to move from. Never gonna move from here, move from here. Tell the them to move. Ninja Man standing over there. Me and Roddy are stand up now swear. Punchinella and Punchinella over there. You can't swear a bikini she wear. And the miniskirt catch her up here. Roddy Irish we under there. Run up people wanna tell me about the girl panty tear. Me tell you, move from here, move from here. Tell goodbye. A great performance deserves a great round of applause. Would you give it to me one time? And you don't have to give me the double
We show this here. Let me see. Them say Reggae Sting 89. But the 89 Ninja hang Red Robin and Shaka Demos, not Shaka Demos. I don't know who me attack. And the next one, 3 of them Ninja hang over Sting 89. Or was it Sting 87? I don't remember, but they say I Sting 89 this year. I don't know. All I know is this was a hell of a performance. That's all I gotta say. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, yo, share the video. Probably me not do a Ninja Man video, don't. I know they're gonna like it, man. So all the Ninja Man fans them. If you love dancehall videos, if you love old school dancehall, just go over to 2ill for TV. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And I'm gonna put the video somewhere in the video. Yeah, man, go check out the channel. He posts a lot of Ninja Man videos and a lot of old school dancehall. Now, if you like the video, like it for me, share the video, help me grow the channel, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you can, get notified, come back and watch some more tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. And leave a comment. Move from here. Just comment Ninja Man. That's it. Just comment Ninja Man or move from here. Stay safe. God bless.